I'm welcome to review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical pontoon boats, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. And there are many products available to choose from pontoon boats, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compile a list of the best pontoon on boats, dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very vaccinating to help for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Newport 8-Fit 10-inch Dana Inflatable Pontoon Boats. Introducing the Newport 8-Fit 10-inch Dana Inflatable Pontoon Boats is your ideal companion for water adventures, combining durability with premium quality materials. Constructed from heavy-duty 100 denier 0.9 mmc, this boat offers exceptional resistance to tearing, tension, and breaking, ensuring longevity in both fresh and saltwater environments. With a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 3-year manufacturer warranty, your purchase is protected from the moment it's delivered. The boat features heat-welded seams that are quadruple overlap for maximum strength, making them reliable even in extreme humidity. A heavy-duty sectional aluminum floor provides a corrosion-proof platform suitable for various activities like diving, fishing, and snorkeling. Safety is prioritized with separate internal air chambers and a durable rubber strike to prevent punctures. Additional features include a marine plywood transom for outboard motors, triangular splash guards, and a deep B keel for smooth play-on. Included accessories like aluminum bench seats, a repair kit, oars, and a foot pump make this dinghy ready for any adventure. Number 2. BRIS 10.8-Fit Inflatable Pontoon Boat. Introducing the BRIS 10.8-Fit Inflatable Pontoon Boat is the ultimate choice for water enthusiasts seeking versatility and durability. Crafted from high-quality 1,100 denier 0.9 mm PVC fabric, this inflatable boat features an aluminum floorboard and a robust marine plywood transom, making it our best-selling model. Designed to accommodate up to 5 people or 4 adults comfortably, it can handle a maximum capacity of 1,213 elves and is compatible with a 15-horsepower short-shaft motor. With an overall length of 10.8 feet and a width of 5 feet, this dinghy is perfect for rivers, lakes, and bays. But its 3 separate air chambers enhance safety, making it a reliable choice as a life-saving raft in emergencies. Weighing just 121 elves, it's easy to transport and set up. Whether you're fishing, exploring, or enjoying a day on the water, the BRIS Inflatable boat offers the perfect blend of functionality and convenience for all your aquatic adventures. Number 3. Boatify 10.8 Feet Inflatable Pontoon Boats. Introducing the Boatify 10.8 Feet Inflatable Pontoon Boats, a versatile and durable solution for all your aquatic adventures. With an overall length of 10.8 feet and an inside length of 7.2 feet, this inflatable boat comfortably accommodates up to 4 adults and 1 child with a maximum loading capacity of 495 gal. Drafted from 0.9 mm thick, 1,100 DPVC with a 5-layer construction, it offers exceptional resistance to UV light, fuel, chemicals, and weather, ensuring durability in various conditions. The V-shaped keel design enhances speed and stability, making it an excellent choice for fishing, leisure activities, or water sports. The aluminum floor provides superior impact resistance, maintaining the boat's functionality. Lightweight at 63 kg, it's easy to carry and store. With a compact packing size of 113 into 62 into 35 cm. Some included accessories such as a carrying bag, set of oars, foot pump, and repair kit make this dinghy ready for any adventure, earning a solid reputation for reliable quality and performance. Number 4. Seangles Inflatable Pontoon Boats. Introducing thrilling water adventures with the Seangles Inflatable Pontoon Boats, designed for both fun and functionality. Constructed with heat-welded seams, this heavy-duty dinghy guarantees durability in fresh and saltwater environments, making it perfect for sailing, rowing, and paddleboarding. With an impressive weight capacity of 1,058 pounds, it allows anglers to carry all essential gear, from fishing rods to coolers, ensuring a seamless fishing experience. Setting up and taking down this dinghy is a breeze, requiring only 10 minutes for assembly or disassembly. Its lightweight design ensures effortless handling, making it easy to transport and store. The marine-grade aluminum flooring offers exceptional durability and corrosion resistance, minimizing maintenance needs and saving you time and money. Additionally, the Seangles dinghy is USCG approved, and we provide all necessary documentation for boat registration. Whether you're an experienced boater or a novice, this inflatable dinghy promises reliability and enjoyment for all your water activities. Number 5. Takacat Inflatable Pontoon Boats. Introducing the Takacat Inflatable Pontoon Boats, an ultra-portable open bow sport tender designed for fast and stable performance on the water. Its innovative catamaran design features large diameter tubes and a raised floor, ensuring a stable and dry ride that is easy to row and planes effortlessly with minimal horsepower. So the unique open transom prevents water from accumulating, while the open bow allows for quick access from the water or beach. This dinghy is exceptionally portable. The removable transom lets it roll up into 2 compact bags, making storage and transportation a breeze. Crafted from high-quality materials and employing industry-leading construction techniques, including single seam joints, the Takacat is built to withstand years of use. Versatile in nature, it's perfect for a variety of activities such as swimming, scuba diving, fishing, or serving as a yacht tender. Enjoy quick assembly with full inflation in just 8 to 15 minutes, making this dinghy the ideal choice for anyone looking to enjoy a day on the water. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.